Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching my video. Welcome back to your class 8, and in this video we are going to discuss all the exercises of chapter 1, and I will take one or two parts of each exercise and we'll try to finish it today. In chapter 1 we have question number 1 here on page number 18, page 18 here, and you have given some verbs here in this box at your right. You have given some verbs, so you can see you have given some verbs here. Number 1 is first you are going to write the meanings of these verbs. Number 1 is ale is to go, apprendre is to learn, remplir is to fill, dire is to tell, prendre is to take, suivre is to follow, connaître is to know, savoir is again to know. We have done the concept what is the difference between connaître and savoir. Then we have boire is to drink, venir is to come, right? So you have given the infinitive verb here. You need to find out which verb will be fitted in these particular fill in the blanks. In these blanks you are supposed to write the conjugation instead of the infinitive verb, right? I hope you are clear. So first one is Marc / avoir à sa famille avant de partir. Mark is saying bye to his family before the departure. So say dire. Dire means to say or to tell. So Mark is the third person. You are going to write dit. First answer is dit. Question number 1. First answer is dit. Then you have given question number 1's B part. It's est-ce que tu / jouer au foot? Do you know how to play football? Whenever we are saying or we are talking about the rules of a particular game, we always use savoir, right? Savoir is to know. So you are going to write the conjugation of verb savoir. We say SIS here, to know, right? Then C part is mon chien / toujours mon fils. My dog always follows my son, right? My dog always follows my son. So follow is suivre. Suivre is to follow. So you need to write suivre, conjugation of suivre. It's SOUIS C part. Likewise, you need to get all the answers here of question number 1. Then let's move towards question number 2. That is répondez à la forme négative comme dans l'exemple. Respond to the negative. Respond in the form of negative as it is given in the example. You have given some questions here and you need to answer them in a negative statement. You are saying no before you are giving answer, right? So first example is given here. Suppose tu as un roman. Do you have a novel? No, je ne lis pas de roman. No, I don't read novel, right? So question number 2 is il boit du thé. Does he drink tea? So you need to answer. B part is no. First you need to write no, then comma. We always take answers for the third person in the same person only, right? So il will remain same. No, il ne boit pas Il ne voit pas de thé. As I told you in the previous video, if we are making a negative statement, then all the partitive articles will get changed into DE. So we are putting DE instead of DU, which is a partitive article. Right? Then in the question number 3. Question number 3 is here. Likewise, you need to solve all rest of the parts of question number 2. And question number 3. Complétez avec les articles définis et articles partitifs. You need to use definite or partitive article here. Question number, part A is Je vais acheter /champignon. I am going to purchase some mushrooms. So some is a partitive article, right? So DES, as I told you, all the eatables, vegetables, fruits and drinks always take partitive article. So DES. First answer for question number 3 is DES. Right? Then we have CUR/chance. You have good luck, or you have a good luck, or you are lucky. So we are using some expressions of avoir here, as we have done this in class 7. So tu as, then you need to use de la. Tu as de la chance. DELA. This is an expression of avoir. Right? De la. Chance is feminine, that is why we are using de la. Then we have je préfère /use the free. As I told you before, if we have aimer, préférer, détester or adorer verb, we always use definite article. So préférer will take use the free, means masculine, LE. We are going to take LE. Then we have j'ai beaucoup /Provence. J'aime beaucoup /Provence. I like a lot the province, right? So you need to, as it is taking aimer verb here, which takes always definite article. So we are going to put LE here again. D part. Then the word is il ne veut pas /viande. It's a negative statement, so we are going to put DE, because viande is it falls in under the category of eatable, and it is feminine, but we are going to omit the partitive article and we are going to put DE because it's a negative sentence. So he will take DE. I've explained these all the parts of this question because it's quite tricky, right? And after this we are going to do question number 4, where you need to write definite or indefinite articles, right? So first statement is ma saison préférée est /printemps. My favorite season is the spring. So spring is masculine and it is going to take definite article, which is LE, right? We cannot use indefinite article with seasons. So the first answer is going to be LE, right? And then we have question B part, that is il y a /question qui est très difficile. There is one question which is very difficult, right? So one question is feminine and it's not taking definite article. So une. First part will take LE, then U and E, un, right? Then we have C part, slash bébé boit du lait, means the baby drinks some milk or is drinking some milk, right? At the beginning of the sentence, we always use definite article, and I am winding up with this statement, and I hope you are going to do rest of the parts of these 3 questions, and you are going to try the next questions also. I am going to come back next week with the rest of the questions, and if you are facing any query or any problem, so please do call me or do text me on my personal window. Thank you and bye.